Welcome back to another video. Today we have a jump starter, a power pack. However, I did buy this with my own money. I am not getting any money from this company. This device is called Audew. So S-A-U-D-E-W. So Audew. Jump starter. It's the 1500 amp peak and 1700 milliamp hour battery with the 12 volt car battery booster. Don't forget to, if you want to help out the channel, buy more tools, make more videos like this, you know, help me buy more tools basically. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification, hit the like button, because otherwise YouTube would not, you know, help me out so I can make more videos. Basically, that's how it is. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. Pretty simple. So let's see here, and I'm wearing gloves because, you know, what's going on right now. I'm not gonna say the word, but you know what's going on. So I'm just wearing gloves right now because obviously these packages are held by several different people. You can wash your hands too, no big deal. So I'm just wearing gloves for this time. Alright, this is what comes in the box. We got some material there. Basically, we got a box inside a box, obviously from Amazon. So this is the box itself. Pretty much it's sealed, as you guys see there. You got, what is this? Sorry. It says Audew card jump start, made in China. Model ePower 70. Can't read it. 172. Alright, got the seal here. If we can break this, there we go. Heard good reviews about this thing. We'll see how it works. I want to put this against the other one that I have, or my mom has. So we're going to compare the two. I tried doing that with another one from Costco, as you guys can see right there. That's the package. That's what it comes in the box. There's nothing else in the box. Yes, I tried to do another review from a Costco one, and it just didn't work at all. So I ended up returning that one. Must have been just a bad unit. I just decided to just, you know, go somewhere else. So I went with this company. We'll see how they perform. So you got Audew. You got a nice case here, as you guys see. You got some instructions. And then you got some more instructions, or you got Spanish here. You got different languages. Cool. Some more instructions. Obviously, we're not going to read those. We're going to set these here so we don't lose them. Just kidding. We're going to read them later. Alright, right out of the box, we got the unit itself. We got a nice bag. A protective case. This is the unit. Oops. Alright, from the looks of it, it's not very big. Let me get some measurements here. 0 in inches. Alright, it's long. I would say about 6.5. It's 60 right there. I would say about 6.5 inches long. Wide, it's about 3.4, so 3.5 inches less. That's his wide. And thick part, it's 1.48, so you guys see there. Alright, done with the measurements. Looks like we got a flashlight here. We got a in and out USB Type C. If you guys see it there, you got out 5 volts, 9 volts, or 12 volts, and then you got out 5 volts, 2.4 amps. So nice. What else we got? We got output 15 volts, 10 amps, and that's it. We don't have anything else other than jump start. This is the jumper cable for the vehicle. It has a little vehicle with the hood open, and that's where it goes in. On the back here we got model. We already went over this on the box with the instructions. It says right there, do not charge internal battery, instructions manual, do not smoke. Okay, what I want to find out is how many bars we got. Let's press the on button. So we got 3 bars right off the bat. Let's see how we turn on this light. There we go. That's how you do it. So we got a nice light there, as you guys could see. It's an okay light, I gotta say. It's if you find yourself in a situation there, it's definitely gonna help you out. I mean, it's not the brightest, but it'll get you where you need to go. So this, it does have another mode. So it has like a flasher, slower flasher, then off, and then just hold it again, I guess, and it's on. Press it. Alright. So let's see what else is in the box. Let's put this here. I'm pretty sure it'll turn off by itself, hopefully. Oh, and by the way, it does have a compass. Here it tells you north, west, east, south. So if you put it like that, level it out, it should tell you where's north. That's magnetic north, by the way, this way. I don't know if you guys could see that. Right there. Like I said, I don't have the best camera, but it works. So we'll put this right here aside. Let's see what else is in the box or in the package. We're going to be trying to jumpstart this vehicle with this Audew. See if it works. Alright. Let's just try and turn this vehicle on without it. See if it turns on. No lights, completely dead. Alright, let's leave the keys in here. Pop the hood. It is a 5.4 Trenton V8. It's a Ford F-150. Let's turn and see if it works. Put these wires back so we don't lose them. And we got the device here. We got 4 bars. You can see it right there. 4 bars. So, according to instructions, you have to plug it in here first. Like so. And then just leave it near the battery. Put the positive, connect the positive wire. Make sure you have a positive connector. And then connect the negative. So we're just gonna turn it on, I guess. Turn it on. Press the. All right. Nothing. understand what's going on here. Okay, I pressed it again and stayed on. So I pressed it again and it's now on. Let's try it one more time. It worked 2 times. One more time. Now we got flashing lights. Obviously we have to disconnect it. Disconnected. Just gonna go from here. It's like once it's turned off, you guys hear the engine. The battery's probably super dead. Yeah, this battery is just super dead. I'm gonna leave it running for a little bit. Hopefully it'll charge. Alright guys, what do I think about this thing? It does work. The instructions not a little bit clear here. So you basically have to push this button here, this boost button, with this unit on. So first you have to turn this on like that. Okay, it's on. Then you connect it, right? Then after you connect it, you're supposed to press this boost button. There, you guys see it there. You press that button there, and once you get a solid green light here, like a really bright green, then you're ready to turn the vehicle on. So that's basically how this works, and it works really well because this battery is like super dead. Anyways, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Feel free to subscribe and hit the like button, hit the bell to help out this channel, so we can make more videos like this. Help me buy more tools like this and make more videos for you guys. So please help out the channel, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Appreciate it.